Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to identify one line, one hole, one line, two holes, two lines, two hole, whichever one. I've been hearing this saying a lot and a lot of people find it difficult to identify which is which. So if it sounds like what you want to learn and what you want to know, then stay tuned and keep watching. Now this is our normal ventilation, which is putting the needle in a single hole, pull out the hair and tie. And I'm doing a single knotting ventilation in this, and this ventilation is for braided wig. For braided wig ventilation, it is advisable that you pick 2 strands of hair or 3 strands of hair so it will look natural. And this ventilation now is one line, one hole. The reason why this is one line, one hole is that I left one line, as you can see. I didn't ventilate one line, and when it comes to the hole, I ventilate, then skip a hole next to it and ventilate. So that's why it's called one line, which shows you left one line, and one hole, which shows you didn't ventilate a hole and you ventilate the other one. So you ventilate and skip one hole and ventilate, then you leave one line. So this is one line, one hole ventilation, which is good for a braided wig if you want to make a braided wig. So yeah, the first step, which is one line, one hole, is this ventilation. All this is one line, one hole. Now let's move over to 2 lines, 2 hole. For 2 lines, 2 hole, I'm going to be ventilating it before I'm showing you what 2 lines, 2 hole means. For the 2 lines, 2 hole ventilation, in order to identify that, we are going to ventilate and skip 2 lines. Unlike the first one, which we skipped just 1 line, in this one we are going to skip 2 lines, and when ventilating the holes, we are going to skip 2 lines. And in this ventilation, I did 2 lines, 1 hole, which is advisable. I skipped 2 lines and I left 1 hole. And this one ventilation is also good for braided wig, depending on what you want to achieve. I don't advise people to do this ventilation, but if what you want to achieve, it cannot be noticeable when you do this, then it's okay. For the 2 lines, 2 hole, 2 lines, 2 hole is when you ventilate and you skip 2 lines, and you also skip 2 holes. When you ventilate, you skip 2 holes and you ventilate the next one. Also, you skip 2 lines. I'm going to show you a sample of it, how it looks like. So this is a sample of 2 lines, 2 hole ventilation. Two lines was left and two holes was left, as you can see. All this full list is two lines, two hole ventilation, and I don't advise people to do these two lines, two hole, because it doesn't look natural at all. The visible lines, the hatch lines will be showing. And also this is two lines, one hole, as you can see, and this is one line, one hole. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this amazing family. And thank you for staying to this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.